Understanding Axie Infinity Axie genetics is crucial for success in the game. The genetics system determines the traits and abilities of Axies, which are essential for battles and breeding. To break down Axie genetics, start by understanding the different components that make up an Axie's genetic profile, including its body parts, genes, and dominant and recessive traits. The body parts of an Axie include its eyes, ears, mouth, horn, back, and tail. Each body part has a specific gene associated with it, and these genes determine the traits and abilities of the Axie. There are 6 genes for each body part, with 3 being dominant and 3 being recessive. Dominant genes will always be expressed if an Axie has 1, while recessive genes will only be expressed if an Axie has 2. When breeding Axies, it is essential to consider the genetic profile of both parents. The offspring will inherit a combination of genes from both parents, with a 50% chance of inheriting each gene. Understanding how genes interact and combine is critical for breeding high-quality Axies. Best practices for Axie genetics breakdown include understanding the genetic profile of your Axies, considering the traits and abilities you want to pass on to offspring, and breeding Axies with complementary genetic profiles. It is also crucial to keep track of the genetic profiles of your Axies and their offspring, as this will help you make informed breeding decisions. In addition, understanding the concept of genetic diversity is vital. Breeding Axies with diverse genetic profiles can increase the chances of producing high-quality offspring with unique traits and abilities. On the other hand, breeding Axies with similar genetic profiles can lead to a lack of genetic diversity and reduce the quality of offspring. By following these best practices and understanding the genetics system, you can make informed decisions when breeding and battling Axies, ultimately leading to success in the game. Remember to stay up to date with the latest developments and updates in the Axie Infinity community, as the genetics system can change and evolve over time.